A very good morning to all dear students and welcome again in this session of elective accounting. From the last session we have started with the practical calculations of the unit. Now let us calculate another example. Question number 2. Silver Palace Hotel is being run on a small hill station with 100 single rooms. One hotel is given which is situated on a hill station which has a capacity of 100 single rooms. This hotel offers discount rates during 6 off-season months in a year. હોટેલ છે જ્યારે ઓફ સિઝન હોય છે ક્યારે તો કે યરના 6 months. 6 જ્યારે ઓફ સિઝન મંથ્સ હોય છે ત્યારે ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે કસ્ટમર્સને. ડ્યુરિંગ ધીસ પીરિયડ હાફ ઓફ ધ ફૂલ રૂમ રેન્ટ ઇઝ ચાર્જડ. આ પીરિયડ દરમિયાન હોટેલ છે એ કસ્ટમર પાસેથી હાફ રેન્ટ ચાર્જ કરે છે. જો નોર્મલ ડેઝમાં સિઝન હોય ત્યારે 100 રૂપીઝ રેન્ટ હોય તો ઓફ સિઝનમાં હાફ રેન્ટ દેટ મીન્સ 50 રૂપીઝ રેન્ટ. The profit margin of the management is targeted at 40% on cost. Profit is to be calculated on cost at 40%. The following are the cost estimates and other details for the year ending on 31st March 2019. Assume a month to be of 30 days. Number of days in a month here assumes are 30 days. Point number 1. Occupancy rate during the season. જ્યારે season હોય છે ત્યારે occupied હોય છે hotel 80%. While in the off season it is 40%. જ્યારે season નથી off season હોય છે ત્યારે occupancy rate છે 40%. Next point. Expenses are given. Number 1. Staff salary, building repairs, laundry and linen, sundry expenses, interior expenses. All such expenses you need to record in your operating cost sheet. Point number 3. Room attendants are paid ₹5 per room day on the basis of occupancy of the room in a month. હરેક રૂમ અટેન્ડન્ટને પર રૂમ પર ડેના 5 રૂપીઝ ચાર્જીસ છે પે કરવામાં આવે છે ઓન ધ બેઝિસ ઓફ ધ ઓક્યુપન્સી ઓફ ધ હોટેલ. Next point. Annual depreciation on buildings at 10% and on furniture and equipment at 20% on straight line method. Two type of assets are given. Number 1 building and second one furniture and equipments, on which you need to calculate the annual depreciation with a straight line method. Point number 5. Monthly lighting expenses. Students pay attention. Here lighting expenses are not given on a daily basis but on a monthly basis it is given are ₹120 per room, except in 4 months of winter when it is ₹30 per room and this cost is on the basis of full occupancy for a month. Throughout the year 120 rupees a charge હોય છે but જ્યારે વિન્ટરના 4 months હોય છે ત્યારે લાઇટિંગ એક્સપેન્સીસ છે કેટલા હોય છે 30 rupees during the 4 months of winter and for the remaining months it will be 120 rupees. Point number 6. Total investment in a hotel is 1 crore of which 60 lakhs related to the building. Total investment હોટલમાં કરેલું છે 1 કરોડનું જેમાંથી બિલ્ડિંગની કોસ્ટ છે 60 lakhs rupees and remaining balance for furniture and equipment. That means remaining balance out of 1 crore 60 lakhs is of rupees building and remaining 40 lakhs is of furniture and equipment. So here the cost price of the assets are given on which you need to calculate the depreciation. You are required to find out the room rent chargeable per day both during the season and the off season month. Ultimately તમારે find out શું કરવાનું છે તો કે એક રૂમનું રેન્ટ કસ્ટમર પાસેથી તમે ચાર્જ કેટલું કરશો સિઝન હોય ત્યારે અને ઓફ સિઝન હોય ત્યારે એક રૂમનું એક દિવસનું રેન્ટ અહીંયા ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનું છે. લેટ અસ સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ ધ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન. એઝ આઈ ટોલ્ડ યુ અર્લિયર, give the heading Silver Palace Hotel operating cost sheet. In one page draw the cost sheet and on a second page give the title working notes. As I told you, in any sum of hotel operating cost sheet, always first calculate the total room days, as the cost unit in case of hotel is the room days. So first we will find out the total room days. Here types of room are not given like single or double room, but here classification is done on the basis of during the season and during the off season. So we will classify the data in two types, that is during season and during off season. Number of rooms will remain the same whether it is a season or off season. Number of rooms तो केवा रहશે, same જ રહેશે, right? Season હોય કે off season, right? Okay. The formula of total room days is, તમને formula ખ્યાલ છે, number of rooms multiply occupancy rate multiply number of days and multiply number of months in a year. But here we will classify the data in during the season and during the off season. During the season number of rooms is given 100 multiply occupancy rate. Students, question માં read કરજો. During the season the occupancy rate is given 80% multiply 6 months. Why we have taken 6 months only? Because season off season months are 6, so seasonal months are also 6. So during the season number of months are 6 multiply number of days in a month are given 30 days, so multiply 30 days. The answer will be 14,400. Same way we will calculate the during off season. During off season again the number of rooms will be 100 multiply. Students pay attention, here the occupancy rate is changed. During the off season the occupancy rate is 40% multiply off season months are 6 multiply number of days 30. So answer 7,200. Add this room days, so your total room days will be 21,600. First always calculate this working note to find out total room days. As per the question, the second point is given staff salary. We will record one by one. Number 1, staff salary, which is given 3 lakh rupees. Second one, building repairs, which is given 2 lakh rupees. Number 3, laundry and linen, which is given 41,500. Number 4, sundry expenses 26,900. Number 5, interior expenses, which are 60,000 rupees. These 5 expenses are given list wise, so we will directly record this. Now next point, room attendant salary is given per room day of 5 rupees. So our next working note, because here the salary is not given directly but we need to calculate this, so our second working note will be room attendant salary. During the season, હવે પર રૂમ ડે સેલરી તમને આપેલ છે 5 રૂપીસ, તો પર રૂમ ડે ને તમારે ટોટલ રૂમ ડેઝ સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાના રહેશે. અહીંયા આપણે ફરી પાછી એ જ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરીએ છીએ. વાય? બીકોઝ વેન મંથલી ચાર્જીસ વિલ બી ગિવન યુ વિલ મેક અ મિસ્ટેક. ત્યારે તમે મિસ્ટેક કરશો. કઈ રીતે આગળ આપણે સમજશું. ડ્યુરિંગ ધ સિઝન 100 rooms multiply 80% occupancy rate, 6 months multiply 30 days multiply charges are given. Room attendants are paid at rupees 5 per room day, so multiply 5 rupees. Calculate this. So your answer will be 72,000. In case of during off season, your answer will be 36,000. So total amount, add this to 36,000 plus 72,000, your answer will be 8,000. Record this answer. Number 4. Room attendant's salary into bracket working note number 2, 1,08,000. Then next point is given annual depreciation on 2 assets. So give the heading depreciation on number 1 building. Calculate the cost of building which is given in point number 6 is 60 lakh rupees and the rate of depreciation is 10% and on furniture and equipments the cost of furniture is 40 lakh rupees and the rate of depreciation is 20%. Calculate this. 60 lakhs as 10%. The answer will be 6 lakh rupees depreciation on building and furniture and equipment. The depreciation is 8 lakh rupees. Record the depreciation. Then after point number 5, monthly lighting expenses are given. Directly record lighting expenses. Lighting expenses are not given directly, so we will calculate this working note number 3. Give the heading lighting expenses during the season and during off season. Now again we will follow the formula of total room days. Number of rooms are 100 rooms multiply during season occupancy rate 80% multiply number of months 6. Here why we are not multiplying 30 days? Because here the lighting expenses are given on a monthly basis. So we will directly multiply the lighting expenses of 120 rupees. Here we are not multiplying the days. Students, pay attention. Now calculate this. 100 rooms multiply 80% multiply 6 months multiply 120 rupees. So the answer is 57,600 rupees. During off season, હવે during the off season what have you been told? અહીંયા શું કીધેલું છે તમને કે વિન્ટરના 4 months છે જેમાં ચાર્જીસ છે 30 rupees. So during the off season 100 rooms multiply 40% occupancy rate multiply વિન્ટરના 4 monthsને બાદ કરીએ તો 6 monthમાંથી હવે વધે છે only 2 months multiply 120 rupees and during the winter જ્યારે winter હોય છે ત્યારે 100 rooms multiply 40% rate multiply 4 months of winter multiply the winter charges are 30 rupees. Calculate this. 100 rupees multiply 40% multiply 2 months multiply 120 rupees. So 9,600 and 100 rooms multiply 40% multiply 4 months multiply 30 rupees. So the answer is 4,800. So total lighting expenses are at this 4,800 plus 9,600 plus 57,600. Answer is 72,000. Now record this answer. 72,000 lighting expenses. Now read the question whether any other expenses are given or not. No. Now any other expenses are not given. So we will calculate first of all the total cost. First of all we will find out the total cost. Make a total of this. Your total cost will be 22,08,400. Now the profit margin is given, that is profit of 40% on cost. So 40% on total cost. Calculate the profit. Total cost na 40%. Your profit will be 8,83,360. So your income, or rather we can say rent, at the profit margin, $30,91,760 is your total income or total rent. I hope now we are clear with this statement and working notes. Now next, here you need to find out the rent per room day. તમારે એક રૂમનું એક દિવસનું રેન્ટ છે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનું છે, right? But here one type of condition is given. Pay attention. This one, during this period half of the full room rent is charged. That means here weight is given કે જ્યારે ઓફ season હોય ત્યારે તમે half rent charge કરો છો. So our next working note will be weighted room days. During season and during off season. Generally here during the season room days are given 14,400 and during off season the room days are given 7,200. Here we can assign a weight, like during off season half rent is charged. Suppose during season 100% weight is assigned, then during off season we can assign the weight that is half, 50%. So again here the answer will be 14,400, and in case of off season the half room days 3,600. So our total weighted room days are 18,000. Now give the next heading, rent per room day. The formula to find out rent per room day is total rent, which we have found out with the statement, divide total weighted room days. Our total rent was 30,91,760. Divide weighted room days are 18,000. Divide this. The answer is 171.76. rupees. Rent per room day. Now student, pay attention. Here you need to find out the rent chargeable per day both during the season and the off season month. So our last and next calculation is rent per room day during season and during off season. During the season, here the rent is found out 171.76, and here we will assign the weight again, right? In case of seasonal months, we have assigned the weight 100%, and during the off season month half rent is charged, so we will do the 50% of full rent. So calculate this. Here it comes again 171.76 rupees, and in case of off season month half rent is charged, so the answer is 85.88 rupees. Rent is charged during the off season months. So this is your final answer. In this way you need to calculate the whole sum. First of all, prepare the statement, give the heading, working notes, right? First find out the total room days, one by one record all the expenses. If necessary, calculate the working notes. At last, if the weight have been given, then assign the weight, calculate the rent per room day and answer according to the question. So this is their final answer. Here with this we are concluding the session of today. In the next session we will take another example. Thank you very much. Have a good day.